Hello, my name's Kate Cocker and I've been working in radio and in podcasting for the last 20 years. And most importantly, as the presenter coach and as a producer, it's been my job to get the most out of the broadcasters that I've been working with, whether that be someone on national radio or a business owner who has just decided to do a podcast and wants it to be brilliant. I am really passionate about getting the best out of you and making you into a great communicator and a great presenter. In this course, I have put all that I have learned over the years and distilled it into an easy way for you to pick up some of those skills that will make you a brilliant broadcaster and a great presenter. You can learn how to put yourself across in a really great way, how to show your personality, how to guide your audience through your content, and how to be really engaging and really captivating so that you bring to you the best audience that you can and really can create a great relationship with your listener. This course is about content, it's about prep, it's about making sure that people are seeing you and hearing you where they need to, but most of all, it's about getting you to be great. It's about how you can be authentic, how your personality will shine in the format that you want it to shine in, whether that be on the radio or as a podcaster. So if you want to become a great presenter and you want to get rid of those nerves and you want to know for sure exactly what you're doing as soon as that microphone opens up, then get this course today. How to become a great presenter is available on radio.co, so click this link and you can get yourself there.